What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB and welcome to week number 13 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, March 26th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal week. Your boy did. And of course, before we get into it, if you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below in the description and sign up for Webull. But without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right into the tracker. Alright guys, as you can see on the screen, your boy is down 13.73% in this portfolio, and I have gone through every single one of them to make sure they are pretty much aligned with what I have in my app, because again guys, if you're new to this, the tracker does not track after hours movement, so therefore it's going to be slightly off, but this gives you a good representation of like where I'm currently at. It's probably, I'd say, that's about right, 13.73%. And then, yeah, I'm down about $1,100, and we'll see in my tracker here in a minute. But just to let you know, some updates that I did for the week. Transactions, I went ahead and purchased Hall of Fame. So if you're not familiar with this stock, and I mentioned last week about NFTs. So HOFV partnered up with Dolphin Entertainment, and there's a section in Dolphin Entertainment that actually is going to be geared toward only NFTs. And if you don't know what NFTs are, it stands for non-fungible token. So what does that mean? A non-fungible token just basically means that it's a unique token, and it could be art, it could be a highlight reel, it could be music, it could be a TV show, right? So say for example that Star Wars decided to create its own token, which it probably will be later on, and what will happen is Star Wars can actually put one of its movies on a token, therefore that would be called an NFT because it's unique. Bitcoin is a fungible token and it's not unique. That kind of gives you a good difference between what's NFT and what's not. But if you're a musician, you could create a song, put it on a token, preferably probably like the Ethereum blockchain, and then you could put within that smart contract behind the token of saying like, if you purchase, well, the first 100 people that purchase this song, they get exclusive rights to my concerts for the next 10 years. Artists will be able to do that moving forward using this technology. That's why I went ahead and purchased this stock, HOFV, Hall of Fame token, because of that. So I know a lot of you guys were asking me in the comment section on what is NFT, can you buy it? And that's the reason why I bought this one, because I think it's going to hit probably around 20 or it could be 60. I'm hearing both of those two ranges, and I want to say the next year or so. But that's the reason why I invested it. It'll probably go into a bubble. I want to say in the next 12 to 24 months, NFTs will. So I think anybody and everybody's gonna be running to create one of these things and try to sell them, because I know they're going for even hundreds of thousands, if not millions, depending on what it is. If it's just like a GIF or it could be like a tweet or whatever, I know they're going for quite a bit of money right now in the market. So again, everybody's gonna be doing it, and I'm sure it'll create a bubble, and then from that point it'll die back down. So that's the reason why I'm getting into it now. This is so I can just see how it reacts to the market and see how things go for the next 6 to 12 months, and then I'll determine whether I want to keep this one specifically or not. But so that's that, guys. Options, I did not do any more, and as you can see, I dumped $1,000 into this. Let's go ahead and format to currency. I just did that, but all good. But yeah, so right now, currently, to this point in the challenge, I have deposited $4,400 or $4,450 into my Robinhood account, and I'll show you here in a second. But again, my portfolio, scroll down, and this is all of them. You have HOFB right here. Actually, this thing hit about like 75% return right when I bought this thing. It went to the moon, and then it died back down. So, but it's still up at 33%. But without further ado, guys, let's just go ahead and head into my app. All right, guys, here we are into my app. Your boy's sitting at $8,745.47. I am down 5.48% for the past week. Buying power is at 542.20. See my options, they really haven't moved that much. I still have some time on those, so I won't bore you with where they're at right now. Scroll through the stocks, and what I plan on doing, guys, I think around, I want to say July or so, I'm going to go ahead and sell IIPR, GE, PS, EC, and CEQP, and then dump those into my other plays, just to help consolidate all my, well, I guess my whole entire portfolio. But let's see, we have GNOG, APXT, Tattoo Chef, and HOFV. I'll go ahead and go into HOFV first. As you can see, Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment. This week, as you see this spike right here at 734, and my average cost is at 387. Total return is at 32.82%, with actually getting back 158.75 right now. And scroll on down, and just to show you that I did buy it, or when I did buy it, was the 21st. Let's see, let's go back. Tattooed Chef for the week, almost down 5%. APXT for the week, almost down 7%. And GNOG for the week, GNOG, it's really sucking right now at 21.61%. So again, yeah, I'm down 20% on that one. 268.25. APXT, or sorry, Tattooed Chef, I'm down 698.50 in that one. And of course, Hall of Fame, we just went through that one. I'm up 158 or 157 right now. It just changed just now. But crypto, I did not buy any crypto. I probably will buy some crypto probably next month. So from here on out, I'll probably just use like $100 a month just to buy some crypto, just to get my feet wet in that. I'm really looking at Ethereum only because of NFTs are basically starting to skyrocket just a little bit. And let me go ahead and dive into a website so you guys can kind of like read about NFTs and get more a thorough understanding of it. So let's go ahead and dive into that real quick. So here we are, guys. CBS News. You can kind of just see like what it all is, what it all entails, and what it's selling for. As you can see, 95,000. And scroll on down. And if you haven't seen this, you should probably look into it. It's called Top Shot. And what it is just basically it's clips of highlights that people create and put on tokens and put into an NFT format, as you can see right here. And they just buy them and they just flip them. That's all they do. And this is a great example of why I see this thing going into the future of like, this could be like a TV show. It could be, again, music with smart contracts on the back of it. So let's say that Luka Doncic had one, or it could be Michael Jordan that creates his own NFT called Jordan Coin or something like that. And then on the back of that, if you buy one of those tokens, maybe you get like 50% off his shoes. It could be something like crazy like that. So the amount of options are really endless, but some cool technology. If you even want to create one yourself, go for it. If you have created one, let me know. I definitely want to check it out. But that's really all I have for the video, guys. If you like the video, give me boy that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.